Oh, you gonna roast my ass?
Yes, I am. You just call me fat. You
Those
just call me
two
fat.
pizzas.
Yeah,
Man,
I'm human. I'm hungry.
Alright, but... So y'all think she's fat? For buying them 2 pizzas?
Wow, you're gonna do that to me, Colbert?
Man.
I'm sorry for wanting to eat, you know, because I'm not hungry right now.
Now let me hold this professional. This how you gotta hold the
This
vlog
is why
camera.
females are the way they are, insecure.
Yep.
Because guys like you and Mr. I want to look like a dad every day. It's coming on girls.
Oh my god, you just put him on blast,
bro.
bro.
If I want to eat a whole pizza,
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat a whole pizza. Point blank. What I put in my body is my business.
Go ahead, go ahead, eat your pizza.
Colbert, no.
Eat your pizza, girl.
You're not taking me seriously.
Eat your pizza.
Oh, man. I'm gonna get you one day.
Then don't take what I said serious.
I'm gonna get you one.
Man.
And when I
But yeah,
blow up,
I don't know where the hell we going.
when I blow up,
We supposed to go at one of them dorms. I'm trying to.
do you have their contact?
I'm trying to film my video. Yeah, I got this kid's number.
Just call the or something. Tell them open it.
Yeah.
We go to the security section.
All right, we coming through the back.
They can't really call me back.
All right, I'm just gonna call this kid right now.
Stop!
What'd you get? Oh, this thing wasn't even recording. Boy got the skills.
Thank you.
I give you a favor.
Thank you.
The chicken wings are yours.
Hurry up, man.
I wish Ashley knew the women part. Don't care if you do as long as understood.
So, even if I did,
Just
All right, so we found a spot. How many sneakers you bring?
Like 4.
Oh, what's the fourth one?
The ones.
Let me see which one.
Do the white ones. I think the white ones.
The white ones.
Clean this one. Since this one we clean the
I feel
easiest.
like but they gotta be like they gotta be like dirty enough just so they see like the comparison.
Yeah, no, this is really dirty. So the dirtiest
Yeah.
shoes don't clean. You clean the clean.
I'll do the
Do this.
I'll do the bottoms too. Yeah.
You see what the fuck going on? Come on.
Oh, this ain't no regular
2K18.
shit. This ain't no regular shit. It's the Fiji water.
Pinky up, pinky up, pinky up. Pinky up, pinky up.
Pinky up, pinky up. Oh,
Pick it up.
pinky up.
Oh, fancy things, fancy things. Show me how you drinking it. Oh my god. My boy, how was that? Refreshing?
yes.
Refreshing. Oh,
Was refreshing?
FIJI 2K18. That's all we doing.
that's how
Very
we
good.
doing, bro.
Very good.
Don't come with me with no Poland Spring.
Yeah, bro.
No, that's basic shit. It's 2018.
We are straight
Nah,
sporting.
Cold Springs for regular niggas.
Yeah, we on that. This is what we the Fuji.
Fiji.
That Fiji.
Fiji water.
That foreign shit.
Reminds me of Wakanda.
It tastes like paradise.
Tastes like home.
Fiji, if y'all watching this, make sure y'all send us a sponsorship, all right? We open for sponsorship. Send us a check, all right?
Alright, bro, let's get this done.
Kobe, you better fix all the sneakers. Hey, this is what y'all into now?
how much you bought that shit for?
What, the products?
Yeah.
Like 35?
Where?
For the action.
Full action, full
Yeah,
like that.
full-
Same
yeah.
price everywhere.
She was a bougie ass nigga since I gave you this Fiji water. I quenched your thirst, you see? You was really thirsty?
It's all about the Fiji.
It's all about Fiji, it's all about the jazz.
Dip it in water.
That shit's working good though, right?
Yeah, we're gonna
They ain't gonna get any cleaner than that.
Nigga, you gotta
I couldn't
Put
do.
them in the washer.
I
Bullshit.
couldn't do the
You get
laces. I was too
Dr.
lazy to do
and
that
wash
shit.
that bitch,
If
that's
you do the
it.
laces, you gotta like freaking dump them in water.
You dump that shit in water, it's gonna stink. You're not even supposed to put sneakers in washing machine.
You're not. But
Oh,
No.
My dad
There's
does that
some
shit.
Some of them you can. You have to use a certain product.
He don't care.
I've never put my sneakers
Yeah, I put my
You're
Converse.
supposed to wash your shit in cold water.
You're supposed to put it in with
Damn, bro. Shit.
That's information right there.
Damn.
I would have just put
Put it in a pillowcase.
word.
The inside is still gonna get wet.
I would have just
No,
put
it's
it
still gonna
there.
get wet, but it's not gonna
It's
get.
gonna get dry.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck.
I forgot to.
It's not gonna. Yeah, it's not gonna. It's not
I forgot to add
gonna-
to.
it's not gonna scrape in the
I forgot to add though, like this stuff, like
All
right
I don't give a
after.
fuck about is my Converse. I just fling them shits right up again.
Well, yeah.
Plus, if you let it out in the sun,
Yeah,
it's
I like
gonna be
my
brand new.
Converses.
It's gonna be brand new.
If you let it out in the sun.
Yeah, it's gonna be brand new.
That's from the whole video. I forgot to add this
Don't
on.
put it in. Yeah, don't put it in
You
the
don't put it in
dry.
dry.
I'm just gonna put that on the sneaker.
I've never cleaned neither
You're not. You
mine.
supposed to
Oh, yeah.
let it air out.
That's like
Respect
weatherproof.
them.
Oh, doing this one. This
Hell
one's
yeah.
done. This one's done.
Is he taping?
No, this one's done.
I bet.
I don't know your viewers.
Oh man, that's your favorite line.
I think you gotta leave that stuff sitting though.
No, you still have
I thought they were ugly too
until you started wearing them.
until I started wearing them. It was, alright, they actually look nice.
Hey, he don't put his back and his soul to nothing else.
Man,
Those
That's
are his
the
babies,
life,
man.
bro.
Come on.
that's a baby. Son. Life of a sneakerhead.
So annoying. He don't put his back or his soul into nothing else, but he put his back
Yes.
into them sneakers.
And he got like two other sneakers over there too.
Hey,
I'm a Christian.
Yeah, I'm looking.
you're a Christian though.
Yeah, we're
But
not,
you still
I'm
have
dropping
been
2
over me?
videos tomorrow, bro.
I don't fuck with bitches.
You have girls been over for you though.
Bend over. I mean, of course not.
Yeah.
Yes, I do that for my.
Yes, let's go. I want to dance. I have jeans on, so I can't really shake my ass at the I can wait something. Yes, look at you guys.
Oh my God, my mother got this for me. I got it for free.
Hey, I like that.
But yeah, I just got done filming a video over here. Basically,
Oh, girl, I would
how to clean your J's with Jason Marks.
I can multitask.
And that's gonna be
I'm a baby.
uploaded like tomorrow. That's just gonna be funny as hell, bro.
So what are the others? Beta.
Yo,
I'm
Dan,
gonna make a 5
Yo.
beta.
yo, bro, the video funny as hell.
Funny as hell.
Funny as shit, man. Yo, check that shit out. That's all I gotta say. Hey.
Look at walking shit.
That's okay.
Oh no, this is bad. This is bad though. I ain't got nobody.
I'm trying to pray, but where are you? I'm all churched out.
What's happening, y'all? So yeah, we are now in the next day. So yeah, I dropped 2 videos. Well, actually no, let me say, all right, so this vlog, right? So it was just gonna be like one vlog, but then it was like too long, so I split it into 2 vlogs. So I'm just gonna say that right now. So yeah, go check out the first vlog, and then I dropped my tutorial on how to clean the Jordans with Jason Marks. That shit funny as hell. Go check that out as well. So yeah, so now I'm in like the next day recording. So I'm just going to say like the ending. So damn, the sun is glistening today. Yeesh. So yeah, so in my previous video, I was basically saying I'm trying to like expand the channel and stuff, man. So I'm trying to have something like a well-rounded channel for everybody to watch. So yeah, I'm still gonna do the fashion stuff, and then, but I want to like branch out more, like doing challenges, and I want to start doing discussion talks as well, talking about like real life situations and stuff like that. So, and also let me know what y'all want to see, so I'll incorporate that in my channel. So yeah, that's basically all that I gotta say. So if y'all like the video, smack that like button, comment down below your thoughts, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and it's your boy ColWorld TV signing out. Peace.
More money, more problems, more guns, more violence. I beat a couple cases, I feel like John got it. How about a Benz, baby? I feel like dog life. I feel like taking some drink right now and pouring it over my niggas.